Hey everybody, Eric Michael with EMF Fitness here. Give this cable pullover variation a try. So, you're going to want to bench on around a 45-degree incline, a couple feet away from the cable machine. Here I'm going to be using two independent grip handles. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Grab the cables, take a couple steps back, turn yourself over, get into position. I like to have my head slightly off the bench. Now, we don't want a lot of bending and extending of the elbow. Try and keep them in a fairly fixed position. We're trying to work more so the lats and the serratus, not so much the tricep. So, we're here. Big breath in. Exhale, pull through. Control back. It's important that we control this. There's a full range of motion, no wasted effort. And I'm bringing my attention to my lats. Squeezing them here almost like I'm rowing and using my lats to control the way back. Two more. When you're done, lift your hips, extend back, let it go. So, a great exercise for building up the lats and the serratus muscle, as well as it strengthens the shoulder because of the line of resistance in a way that we don't get with a lot of our other movements. Because this isn't a heavy exercise, I recommend supersetting it with another exercise. So today, I'm doing 10 sets of pull-up, superset with 10 sets of cable pullover. So if you find this exercise useful, these type of videos useful, hit like, let me know in the comment section below, and as always, subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.